The ocean captivates our senses. The sound of the waves and hidden life. Walking on the beach, we can find different kinds of algae. However, in the water, there are some algae that are invisible to our eyes. Living in the ocean, coccoliths are a type of algae which holds secrets about the temperature of the past.
So depending on the temperature of the water in which those algae live, they are going to change the composition of their fat that is contained in their membrane. So in response to cold waters, what they're going to do is that they're going to produce more saturated fat to make the membrane more dense and protect them from the cold. And when the water becomes warmer, it's going to produce more unsaturated fat to make the membrane more fluid.
Because they are so tiny, their true beauty is only revealed under the microscope. To study the algae, scientists have to take to the sea on special research vessels. They drill core samples from the seafloor sediments which contain the fossilized coccolith. The core is split, and then the sediments can be analyzed in the laboratory. Samples that look like grains of sand are packed into special cells. The cells are then placed into a machine called an accelerated solvent extractor, which separates out the molecules of the sediment. In the last step, the sample is injected into a gas chromatograph, which can identify the chemical composition of the coccoliths. The spikes on the graph represent samples from a cold water environment. The smaller spike is from a warm water environment. These results indicate that the coccoliths lived in water that was fairly cool.
Because those algae have this ability, then that makes us, scientists, able to reconstruct the past temperatures of the ocean, and that will help us define what will happen in future.
These tiny fossils are essential for researching the Earth's climate. They are thermometers for the oceans of the past. The information from these sediments helps us to understand warm periods like the Pliocene and to make better predictions about the future.